Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off Facebook comments. So let's get into it. First we have to go on our Facebook app, then click on your profile right here on those three lines. After that you have to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then click again on settings, and then you have to scroll down and then click on public posts. And right here, as you can see, we have public post comments. So here you can choose to allow comments to the public, friends of friends, or friends. So Facebook does not have a only me or no one option, but you can set this to friends. And another thing that you can do is go to a post that you have. So what you can do is go right here on some comments of your post, and then if you hold down on a comment, you can hide this comment or delete it. So you can do that with all of your comments. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If it did, you can smash that like button, and you can also comment down below and subscribe to our channel. It means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.